I'd like to tell you about Himalayan dog chews. This is for a large dog, and this is an alternative to rawhide chews. Thanks to the brand for sending me this sample so that I could tell you about it. This is the Himalayan DogChew Original Yak Cheese Chew. Say that 3 times fast. With only 3 ingredients: milk, lime juice, and salt. The milk is yak and cow's milk. And that's the kind of ingredient I like to see. No chemicals with unpronounceable names. All natural foods. The milk is gluten-free and healthy. There's no preservatives, no grains, lactose, or soy. The lactose from the milk is removed during the processing, and that makes it gentle on sensitive stomachs. The recipe is an original Himalayan recipe. The ingredients are sourced from World Fair Trade Organization certified partners, made in Nepal, subject to quality inspections overseen by the U.S. Department of Agriculture to ensure safe, hygienic manufacturing processes. This chew is for dogs of any age except younger than 12 weeks. Don't give it to a dog that's under 12 weeks old. And be sure to get the right size for your dog's weight. It's right on the package. Up at the top, this one's for 55 pounds and over. This chew supports healthy digestion and strong teeth. Please supervise your dog when they're chewing on this, just to be sure if any little pieces break off, that they don't get choked or anything. But take the pieces away and save them, and I'll tell you why in a minute. When the chew gets down to about the size of your thumb, then take that piece away from the dog also. Then the dog's finished with the chew. So I'll tell you what to do with the pieces. Soak them in warm water for 5 minutes, and then put in a microwave that's 1100 watts, and microwave for 45 seconds. It will make a cheese puff, and that's a treat for your dog. So after the dog gets to enjoy this whole treat, then he gets another treat. The dogs in this video are Ray and Queenie, and they loved this treat. They just didn't want to give it up. So I'm impressed with it also, and you might like to try one for your dog.